X-Men The Animated Series Season 1, Episodes 11 and 12, title Days of Future Past. Of course, this is basically, loosely based on the very iconic X-Men storyline of the same name, where you have a apocalyptic future where mutants are enslaved by the Sentinels, and so you have Bishop, in this case, goes back in time to prevent this apocalyptic future to happen. And all is around assassination, trying to find out who assassinated the person in Washington and all kind of stuff. And I would say this, I really enjoy most of this episode. I quite enjoyed this episode as a whole. You know, you got the future aspect of things, which was kind of very cool. You got the whole thing of the X-Men not believing Bishop, the whole future apocalyptic, all kind of stuff. Definitely Wolverine. Wolverine is like, okay, Bob. It's like, okay, Bob, you're nuts. So I know I'm Australian, but I can't do a good Wolverine impression. Anyway, but that, I kind of always enjoyed that, and also, you know, the whole thing, is Bishop telling the truth, is he not, and that, and then when we come to part 2, the reveal of Gambit possibly being the assassin, I was like, what? Gambit? Really? I think Gambit's kind of like not such a, you know, heartwarming guy, but seriously? Gambit? And then you find, like, okay, that makes sense. It's Mystique, and you have a decent fight scene between Blob and Power and what's it, Earthquake. With the X-Men, you got a decent one. You got a decent action scene in that. You got the reveal of Mystique being Rogue's mum, which was kind of neat, because I was like, when I saw that, I was like, okay, I don't know what to think about. Actually, I like it. That was my mindset of that reveal. I don't know how I feel about it, but then 30 seconds later, I was like, you know what, I like it. Yeah, it has a more emotional hook between the X-Men, definitely with Rogue, the X-Men, and Mystique. And I like that reveal and all that kind of stuff. So, and of course at the end you find out, okay, things are even worse. So you have to wonder, what is the key thing that set this apocalyptic future as a ways, in a way. So yeah, I quite enjoyed this episode. Way well handled, way well done. And we only got one more episode left of season 1. So yeah.